Here we are in the heart of Canada, where a herd of fundraisers are seen preparing for the annual migration across the Atlantic for the IFC. As we take a closer look within the habitat, we can witness travel plans being made around the watering hole. And just down the hall, the majestic female fundraiser is seen gathering what little she needs for her trip. As the departure day nears, they frantically forage for new thinking to share while across the pond. Fundraisers are a rare breed, and this event is like no other. Get ready, this October 2019, the Animal Kingdom at the IFC Gala.